Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about finding the best hotel deals for your next vacation. Traveling can be expensive, but finding a good deal on a hotel can make a big difference in your budget. In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks on how to get the best deal on your next hotel stay. The ultimate guide to finding the best hotel deals. Tip 1. Comparison sites. The first tip is to use comparison sites like Booking.com, Expedia, and Hotels.com. These sites allow you to compare prices and deals from multiple hotels, so you can find the best deal for your budget. Just make sure to compare prices from multiple sites, as the deals can vary. Tip 2. Timing is everything. The second tip is to book at the right time. The best time to book a hotel is typically during the off-season, when demand is lower and prices are cheaper. It's also important to book well in advance to get the best deals, as prices tend to increase closer to the date of your stay. Tip 3. Negotiate and ask for discounts. Tip number 3 is to negotiate and ask for discounts. If you're booking directly with a hotel, ask if they have any promotions or discounts available. Some hotels offer discounts for AA members, military personnel, and senior citizens, so be sure to ask. You can also try negotiating the price, especially if you're booking a room for multiple nights. Tip 4. Use reward programs. Tip number 4 is to use reward programs. Many hotel chains have loyalty programs that offer rewards for frequent guests. You can also earn points and rewards by using a credit card that is linked to a hotel loyalty program. Tip 5. Look for package deals. Fifth tip is to look for package deals. Many travel sites offer package deals that include hotel, airfare, and rental car, which can save you money compared to booking each component separately. Tip 6. Book last-minute deals. Tip number 6 is to look for last-minute deals. Many hotels offer last-minute deals to fill up empty rooms. You can find these deals through travel apps or by calling the hotel directly. Just keep in mind that you may have limited options for location and room type. Tip 7. Use social media. Tip number 7 is to use social media to your advantage. Follow your favorite hotels on social media and sign up for their email newsletters. Many hotels offer exclusive deals and promotions through these channels, so it's a great way to get access to discounts. Tip 8. Consider alternative accommodations. Consider staying at a vacation rental or an Airbnb instead of a traditional hotel. These options can often be more affordable and offer more space and amenities. Just make sure to read the reviews and check the location before booking. By using these additional tips, you'll have even more options for finding the best hotel deals for your next vacation. Happy travels!